Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new detailing episode. On today's menu, how to safely clean and protect a leather steering wheel. To do so, I will use two products today. The first one is Pol Star from Koch Chemie and the second one is Leather Star from Koch Chemie too. So the first one, this one, is a cleaner. It has to be diluted by a ratio, and today I use a ratio of 1:5, so it means 1 measure of the product for 5 measure of water, and I used this dispenser that makes a nice foam. So the second one, this one, it's made to protect the leather. It prevents UV fading and it nourishes the leather. And as accessories today, I will use this leather brush from Auto Finance, this microfiber pad for the Leather Star, and microfiber towels as usual. So let's not wait and dive right in. So after my 2 steps, the leather is now fully cleaned and protected. It's not shiny anymore. Keep in mind, a shiny leather is a dirty leather. And now my steering wheel is looking really nice.